Most of us think of baking soda as that box tucked away in the fridge to keep odors at bay, or something we sprinkle into cookies to make them rise. But what if I told you that baking soda has been a secret weapon for better health, used by doctors, athletes, and even ancient civilizations? In this video, we're uncovering 7 amazing and unexpected health benefits of using baking soda. These are practical, scientifically proven ways that this humble powder can improve your digestion, boost your energy, support your skin, and even help you live a longer, healthier life. Whether you're in your 30s or well into your 60s, you'll find something in today's list that could transform your daily routine. And let me guess, you've probably seen dozens of health tips that sound great but are hard to follow. Not this one. These baking soda hacks are simple, cost-effective, and backed by science. Plus, by the time we get to benefit number 7, you'll see why it's truly a game changer for anyone who wants to age gracefully and stay active. All right, let's kick things off with the first benefit. Benefit number 1, boost digestive health. Have you ever experienced the discomfort of heartburn or indigestion after a heavy meal? That burning sensation in your chest or the bloating in your stomach can ruin your day. But here's the good news. Baking soda can offer quick and natural relief. Scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, baking soda acts as an antacid. It neutralizes stomach acid, helping to alleviate symptoms like acid reflux, heartburn, and indigestion. When your stomach produces too much acid, it irritates the esophagus, causing that familiar burning sensation. A simple solution is to mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it slowly. This creates a chemical reaction that reduces the acidity in your stomach, bringing relief almost instantly. Studies have shown that sodium bicarbonate is not only effective, but also safe for occasional use. But here's a word of caution. While this remedy works wonders in the short term, it's not a substitute for addressing the root causes of digestive issues, such as diet and stress. Overusing baking soda can disrupt the natural pH balance in your stomach. So, use it wisely, and if symptoms persist, always consult a healthcare professional. Benefit number 2, enhances oral hygiene. Let's face it, we all want a bright smile and fresh breath, but did you know that baking soda can be a powerful ally in your oral hygiene routine? Its mildly abrasive texture makes it an excellent natural cleaner for removing surface stains on teeth, giving you a whiter, brighter smile. In fact, studies show that toothpaste containing baking soda is significantly more effective at removing plaque and whitening teeth than non-baking soda toothpaste. Beyond its whitening abilities, baking soda also helps maintain a healthy pH balance in your mouth. Harmful bacteria thrive in acidic environments, which can lead to bad breath, cavities, and gum disease. Baking soda's alkaline nature neutralizes this acidity, reducing bacteria and keeping your breath fresh. To use it, simply sprinkle a little baking soda onto your toothbrush, along with your regular toothpaste, or dissolve some in water to create a natural mouth rinse. But remember, moderation is key. Overuse can wear down enamel, so stick to a couple of times a week to enjoy its benefits without harm. And here's a fun fact. Some of the world's most effective mouthwashes owe their effectiveness to baking soda. So the next time you think about oral hygiene, remember that the secret to a cleaner, healthier mouth might already be in your pantry. Benefit number 3, aids muscle recovery post-exercise. Whether you're an athlete or just someone who enjoys a good workout, muscle soreness can be a frustrating side effect of physical activity. This soreness often comes from lactic acid buildup in your muscles during intense exercise. But here's the surprising part. Baking soda can help your body recover faster and perform better. When you consume baking soda, it acts as a buffering agent, neutralizing the lactic acid that builds up in your muscles. This helps delay fatigue and improve endurance, making it especially useful for high-intensity activities like running, cycling, or weightlifting. Studies have shown that athletes who take a small amount of baking soda before exercise can experience enhanced performance and reduced muscle soreness afterward. To try this, mix a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and drink it about an hour before your workout. Just be sure to start with small amounts to see how your body reacts, as excessive intake can cause stomach upset. And here's a tip. Pairing baking soda with a proper post-workout routine like stretching and hydration, can amplify its benefits. So the next time you're gearing up for a challenging workout, consider giving your muscles a little extra support with baking soda. Benefit number 4. Improves skin health. Your skin is your largest organ, and it deserves as much care as any other part of your body. Baking soda's natural properties make it an excellent addition to your skincare routine. For starters, its gentle, abrasive texture acts as a natural exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. This makes your skin look fresher, smoother, and more radiant. But it doesn't stop there. Baking soda is also known for its ability to soothe irritation. If you've ever dealt with bug bites, sunburn, or mild rashes, a baking soda paste can provide instant relief. Its alkaline nature helps balance the skin's pH and reduce inflammation, calming redness and itching. Simply mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to create a paste, then apply it to the affected area. For those with acne-prone skin, baking soda may help by reducing excess oil and combating bacteria that cause breakouts. However, it's essential to use it sparingly and avoid over-drying your skin. Always follow up with a good moisturizer. Add a half cup of baking soda to your bath water to create a soothing soak that can relieve eczema, dry skin, or even stress. It's like giving your skin a spa day without leaving home. Benefit number 5. Supports kidney health. Your kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining your body's pH balance, filtering toxins, and regulating essential minerals. But when the body's acidity becomes too high, often due to poor diet or chronic conditions, it can put extra strain on the kidneys. This is where baking soda steps in as a powerful ally. Sodium bicarbonate helps neutralize excess acid in the blood, making it easier for the kidneys to do their job. Research has shown that baking soda supplementation can slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing metabolic acidosis, a condition where acid builds up in the body. In one study, patients with CKD who took baking soda daily showed improved kidney function compared to those who didn't. To incorporate this into your routine, dissolve a quarter teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it once a day, but only after consulting your doctor. It's incredible to think that a simple ingredient could provide such significant support to an organ as vital as your kidneys. Small changes like this can make a big difference in your overall health and longevity. Benefit number 6. Fights infections. Baking soda's antimicrobial properties make it a surprisingly effective tool in combating infections. One of its most well-known uses is in treating fungal infections like athlete's foot or yeast infections. Its alkaline nature creates an environment that's inhospitable to fungi and bacteria, helping to stop their growth. For skin infections, soaking the affected area in a mixture of warm water and baking soda can help relieve itching, reduce inflammation, and promote healing. Similarly, using a baking soda rinse for minor throat infections or oral sores can help kill harmful microbes and provide soothing relief. Another area where baking soda shines is urinary tract infections. By alkalizing the urine, baking soda can create an environment where bacteria struggle to thrive, easing symptoms like burning or discomfort. However, this should be used as a complementary remedy alongside proper medical treatment. Benefit number 7, potential role in longevity. Finally, let's talk about the ultimate goal for many of us, living a longer, healthier life. Could baking soda play a role in longevity? Emerging research suggests that it just might. By helping to maintain the body's acid-base balance, baking soda can reduce inflammation, a key factor in aging and chronic diseases. Chronic low-grade acidosis, often caused by modern diets high in processed foods, accelerates cellular damage and contributes to conditions like diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and osteoporosis. Baking soda's ability to neutralize acidity supports a healthier internal environment, potentially slowing these processes. Additionally, its role in kidney health and infection prevention further adds to its potential as a longevity aid. By supporting these essential systems, baking soda helps the body function optimally for longer periods. Of course, the key to longevity isn't just one ingredient, it's a combination of healthy habits, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a positive mindset. But baking soda can be a simple, affordable addition to your toolbox for aging gracefully. As you incorporate it into your life, remember to do so mindfully and consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it fits your individual needs. Now that you know the incredible benefits of baking soda, why not start using it today? Let us know in the comments which benefit you're most excited to try. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who deserves to know these life-changing tips.